What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? With y'all, what's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see what we got going on today. We got a big meats update, man. Lawless been working. They've been working, man. Y'all know I just came back from vacation, me and the family. We came back from vacation from all last week. Like I said, I had the videos already lined up for y'all, so you know we enjoyed ourselves, man. It was fun out there in the beach, enjoying the wave, top flow, all that stuff, man. We just, hey, it was a good time, man. Soon the kid got out of school, we went to vacation that next week. Took off, so we back at it. So Justin called me. Hey, they've been working. They've been working, man. So now I got to get that transmission. I got to have that transmission, man. So I'm gonna hit DJ up, man. I got to have it. We waiting on that joker. Them jokers been working. So I'm finna take the converter by there. I got to go get some oil. I already got spark plugs. I keep extra spark plug, man. So I got them. Rear end fluid, I gotta take all that back there. They about to start on the fuel system and all that stuff. They working, man. So we finna get over there. I'm finna run by the parts store. We're gonna go get the tag for Black Haven, go get the license plate. Cause I had this joker inspected, man. I'll tell y'all about that in another video, the process of all that too. So, cause people don't be knowing how selling and buying cars work, man. So I'm gonna do a dedicated video, cause a lot of people need to hear that, especially the old car. So, but I'm finna go handle the business. Turn y'all back on in a minute. All right, BCG fam, man, we checking in. I made it over here. Got some more parts. Converter over there. And I got this for Black Haven, man, cause I need that. And all the other stuff. I'm gonna fuse go for the truck, man. I believe they're my turn signal problem, and everything else is for meat, which I just got regular oil. Cause, man, y'all know we had that intake gasket was leaking, so we're gonna run a heat cycle on it. Then I'm gonna drain that cheap oil out of there and filter, and then put some more oil right in it immediately. And I got the rest of the additive and stuff in the front. So I'm finna get in here. We're finna get in here and see. Been done with meat. Then when Jesse opened the door right here, man, I just carry stuff in there and we'll do what it do. So y'all just stay tuned. I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. Alright, y'all, we checking in, man. So look, excuse the wind too, but boy, when I say they've been working, man. Hey, I ain't know they had got this much done. They have been working, boy. Chris been going ham, man. I ain't know they did all this. Y'all see we got the big radiator, got the Riley fan, man. Look how neat it is. We got the new valve covers on. I'm gonna run an evac system. They got all the front brackets on. I gotta get my the power steering pump, man. I'm gonna have to order that. Y'all know we got the Power Master alternator, real street car. The wires wired up, man. Headers mounted up. Big boy dominator. Nitrous system already on. Hey, man, it's on. I bought this. Got to have it covered up, boy. Look at it. Look at it. Let me get that thumbnail for y'all. Oh yeah. You see that joker sit tall too, man. It been working, man. So let's walk to the back. Show y'all what they done. He working on the shifter now, getting the shifter in. That's why I say I came perfect time. They want to see where the seat gonna ride, so make sure we put the shifter in the right spot. So we got the shifter going in there. Then we got the fuel system already done. The main fuel system got the fuel cell in there. I gotta do the 1 gallon rear end. I ordered axles today, y'all. Axles will be here in 2 days. No, they'll be here by the end of the week. So then we're gonna address the rear end, man. We'll have the longer stud. All that gonna be done. We got everything else. They rolling, man. I told y'all, once they start on it, it ain't gonna take 60 days, man. Once they start on it, 'cause I bought everything. I bought everything I need. So I got all this stuff too. The front stuff ordered, cause they gonna change that over back to 5x5 in the front. Cause it's small Chevy in the front right now. I got the spindles, so they're gonna change that over. I'm gonna put factory stuff on it for right now, just to get the car going. Then we're gonna go to the sliding and drill rotors, front and back. And yeah, man, I got to buy that. I got to buy another line lock. So what I'm gonna do when I get home, I'm gonna order the line lock, and I'm gonna order the line lock and the power steering pump. I gotta get the power steering pump and the lines for the power steering pump. And I gotta get a radiator hose, cause y'all know I'm gonna take that old-fashioned hose off here. I got the bottom, get a top radiator hose. We got all new regulators. The 1 gallon, I don't know where he gonna mount it. He probably changed it. He'll probably end up changing it, man. Cause in Dolo we got the 1 gallon over here, but I got my overflow over here, which I need to change that, man. It's dirty. My grill, y'all know I got the new grill, which come to find out I really just need bolts. So I need to bolt that back up. No, I need them clips. So we need to order the clips, man. But they rolling, man. They is really rolling, boy. Trying to knock down that part pile, man. Look at that. That thumbnail. But yeah, man. I told y'all on the way, I gotta update y'all on some more stuff too. So I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, we back at the house, man, from Lawless. Boy, I got to say, I was shocked. I was shocked, man. I was legitimately shocked, boy. Hey, man, I should have had the camera on when I first seen it. I was teasing, boy. I said, God, boy, I ain't seen, man, just to see that big block dressed in there. I ain't seen my car like that in so long, man. It just done set in there. I'm like, they more dressed and look better than it did back in the day. Boy, I ain't seen my car with no big block in it in so long. Whew, boy. Whew. That's some junk to take in, man. I'm telling you, I honest to God didn't think they had did that much, man. I didn't. Cause Jesse, my boy Jesse had called me and said, man, we need some spark plugs. I like, I got some. I had some, cause I keep them. I keep extras, and I like, man, I might as well go ahead and get the rest of the stuff. Nah, and then he was like, we're gonna need some spark plugs, and then he said, he was asking about the fuel cell. They were, well, we're gonna go ahead and put this in. I like, yeah. So I'm thinking, I'm gonna get over there. They probably working on the fuel cells, getting the tank out, you know. Man, so I go to the parts store, and like y'all seen, I picked up oil, antifreeze. I went and bought all the front brake stuff to switch it over to 5x5, cause y'all know I got new spindles and stuff, so I got all this stuff, which I gotta pick that stuff up tomorrow. They don't never have them big rotors. And yes, I am gonna go slide it and drill rotors and twin dual piston brakes, brake calipers and stuff. But for now, to get this car rolling, I'm just putting them on there. I said I spend the money twice. I'm just putting them on there so they can get the car rolling and all that. I ordered Moser axles because I was like, they can go ahead and do the rear end. That's what I'm thinking to myself that they can do. So I went ahead and placed the order for Moser. My axles should be here in about 4 days. I got them on the way. That'll be the last component for the rear end. I got everything they need for that. But I get over there, man. Y'all seen the engine, man. Them boys been working. Them boys been working, man. I talked to my fan DJ, man. I said, DJ, we got the roll, brother. I said, we got the roll, man. So DJ gonna get the transmission knocked out this week, man. Shout out to Showtime, man. He getting it done this week for me for Meach. So we'll go and take that down there to him. They're gonna pop that in there fast. Then all we gotta do is order the dry shaft. Order the dry shaft, and then if I don't have Dolo back running before they ready for the exhaust, I'm gonna go ahead and jack Dolo up, take the old exhaust off and take it over there. Then we'll have the exhaust on it. But man, when I say I wasn't expecting that, man. I was not expecting that. Them boys rolling. I got to go ahead and order the power steering pump car. They need it now. They ready for it. So, man, Chris and Jesse and all them, they been working. So I'm guessing, and that big Dominator, boy, that bad boy look mean sitting up there, boy. That joke a little nasty sitting up there. Big nitric plate, boy, y'all. Y'all just don't want to know how much gas that thing will spray. Y'all don't want to know how much gas that thing will spray, boy. Cause I'm getting ready for when I put the engine in there. That's why I'm setting the chassis up. The whole chassis gonna be ready. So then when I put the real killer in there, all I'm gonna have to do is just set it right in there. Direct replacement, man. Cause I'm gonna run another electric water pump. That's why I bought the brackets for it. I'm gonna set that joker slap over in there. Boom. Then that joker gonna be a whole nother animal. Don't get me wrong, it's gonna be bad now. But this gonna be a baby compared to my other engine. Now the BCG Hangout people, y'all know what's going in that joker. Y'all know what's really going in that joker. Y'all know what that one is. They're really what it is. So, hey man, I'm excited, boy. Meats gonna have oil pressure soon. I'm telling you, when that transmission get in there, they gonna crank that bad boy up fast, man. I'm telling you, they got started everything. When that transmission get in there, they gonna crank that joker up, boy. They gonna crank that joker up. That's why I said, boy, I can't wait till DJ get in there. Cause when that transmission go in that joker, boy, it's on. It's on, man. Cause you know they can crank it up. They can stick a yoke in there and crank that joker up and let it run. So, hey, we might. I won't be surprised if we be hitting that joker in a couple of weeks. And the BCG Hangout, they probably gonna hit. I'm gonna tell y'all, I wouldn't never plan on documenting the whole build over here. I'm not either. They probably gonna be the last update y'all see on Meach, so y'all can just see how close it is. Next time y'all see it, y'all gonna be shocked. When y'all see it, y'all just wait. Now BCG Hangout, I'm gonna keep y'all coming. Isn't that called? This was my original plan. I wasn't supposed to even show y'all this, but y'all my people, so I'm gonna show y'all. But boy, my heart beat fast, man. My heart beat fast, man. Whoo, Meach gonna get back in his spot over there. When Meach get back in his spot, man, I can't wait, man. For the first time, my entire fleet gonna have oil pressure. That's been a goal of mine, man. For all of my cars to be running at the same time, and I want to take them all out somewhere to a car show and to the track at the same time, man. I'm telling you, I already got wheels for Meach. If you go back and look at the video, some of y'all be skipping. I got wheels for Meach. I'm finna go ahead and cash out, get wheels for this. I'm gonna bust a power move on this. I already got 2 fenders. I got 2 fenders. Me and my boy gonna switch out. So I got 2 fenders, man. I'm gonna get J Hall. Y'all see how J Hall get down? Hey, he don't take all day, man. When you skin down, you do what you supposed to, man. And hey, and you in line. Hey, look, he gonna take care of you. I'm finna get my boy J Hall. Gonna put that wet on this joker. I ain't got nothing to buy except locks. I'm gonna buy new locks, black locks. Everything else good. I'm gonna buy, man. Hey, I'm gonna put them new fenders on that joker, boy. Retint the windows. And then redo that top. Boy, watch. I already know what feet I'm put on here too. I'm telling you, watch how I'm pull this off. Watch how I'm pull this joker off now. I'm telling you, man. Y'all seen brown coat nasty. Brown coat nasty. R&B nasty. Dolo gonna be just, whew, I ain't saying that on that. What I got planned for that, y'all I'm gonna shock the world. But what now? I'm gonna paint this joker so fast. I'm gonna go ahead and get the wheels. I'm gonna set the wheels off to the side. Cause soon as that joker leave J Hall, when it come out of there, it coming out mounted up. I'm bust a power move, man. That joker coming out mounted up. So I'm gonna tell y'all how they gonna happen with this one. I'm gonna do the suspension. It going over there, it gonna get the tub, the notch, all that stuff. Then it's immediately going straight to J Hall, and that joker coming up out of there on the feet. And then Meach, feet. Everything gonna have feet on it except John Jones, but y'all know it finna go in brown coat. But yeah, man, hey, shout out to Lawless. Shout out to Lawless, man. Them boy working. Them boy working, man. Well, I tell you. But yeah, man. They're gonna wrap this one up, man. Y'all see, I'm hyped. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm hyped, man. If y'all feel like I'm overdoing it too bad, man, I'm hyped. They're my baby. Meach is my baby. Y'all know that. So look, man, that's it. Y'all see we coming. Update on Meach. A damn good update at that. I don't know about y'all, but it's a good update for me. But that's it, man. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG. We out.